still up here? Well, praise God. At least they left the church up. Just ain't the same. Things fall down and they don't get back up in the neighborhood no more.
Martin? Martin? Mark?
You talking to me, ma'am? No, ma'am. My name is not Martin. My name is Maluki.
Maluki?
Yes, ma'am.
Son, you look like somebody I used to know. But you know, my eyes, more mine. This ain't like it used to be.
I see.
Well, if you just passing through this area,
Yes.
you better be on your way.
Oh.
Because this neighborhood,
Mm-hmm.
it ain't pretty in the daytime. No, sir. And at night, woo, child, you my purse. It ain't gonna happen to me. You better be on your way, son.
Yes,
Be on your
ma'am.
way.
I think I'm in a hurry right now.
Yes, sir. I'll see you,
Hold on.
son. You have a good one now. Maluke?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am. I hope you find Martin, lady.
All right, son. Yes.
Looks like somebody I seen on TV, Martin Lawrence. Oh, this place ain't the same as it used to be. Sure is different. Different place with a different face. Have mercy. Have mercy.